So today we're actually going to demonstrate exactly how we are performing our Hair2Grow stimulating scalp treatments and massages. You know, this is the big thing, right? And so we want to make sure that you, our viewers, really understand what goes into a proper trichology scalp massage and scalp stimulation. Today, I'm so fortunate I have two amazing models with us, our scalp stimulator, Nicole, and then also one of her clients, Miss Janelli. And so they're going to actually go through an opportunity so that you can see exactly how that we move through these scalp massages. And so, Nicole, if you want to go ahead and help us understand exactly the first step in what you're doing now for those listeners and individuals who are not watching us at this time.
I am doing some brushing that's going to help stimulate and cleanse the scalp.
Perfect. And this is with a natural bristle brush. This is what we recommend for everyone to use during this process. And the first step then of our Hair2Grow stimulating scalp treatments and scalp massages are going to actually be a rotating massage. And so, Nicole, can you demonstrate exactly what you are going to start doing with a rotating massage for us? So step one is the rotating massage. As you see, Nicole is performing this step and this pressure point here. The reason for this rotating massage is to soften the scalp. It also improves circulation. It also is going to start the process of the blood flow and the circulation moving up in through the hair, up in through the scalp, starting from the nape all the way to the top of the head. Step two is actually going to be our zig-zag method. And this is going to help improve that lymphatic drainage in through the scalp. As we know that if the scalp is not treated properly, then our hair is going to not grow in the cycle that it should be. So the life cycle of the hair includes 3 steps. Our anagen, our growing phase, then we move into our resting phase. This particular lymphatic type of a zigzag motion is going to help those hairs maintain and stay in that catagen phase as long as possible, which is really going to make a big difference for our beautiful growing hair. Moving into step 3 on our stimulating scalp massage, this Hair2Grow process is key and signature for HPI Hair Partners. The information around this pressure is just so important to the hair growth and the hair stimulation. The hair growing from the anagen phase and the bulb needs to have this pressure to stimulate that oxygen flow and blood flow. And as you see here, the pressure is very strategically placed. Also, we move through the entire scalp, making sure that we are gaining traction in all areas of the scalp. Yes, you can certainly consider making sure that you're applying these pressure points in the areas where you are seeing the majority of the diffuse thinning or the acute loss. Our enveloping massage. This is actually activating the blood flow. I know, right? This is kind of a common theme. We're talking about getting that blood flow stimulated and making sure that it is actually moving in the direction of the hair follicle. This is such a key step here. This is step 5 of our step 6, and it's important to make sure that you're actually massaging the entire scalp, down to the temples and down all across the back of the neck. And with the hands moving, there is also slight pressure here. Now, for the final step, this is the calming step. Now, certainly this is important for the hair growth, but it's also very important to finish off this treatment for yourself. If this is a DIY or if you are having this performed in the scalp salon massage, make sure that all of these steps are performed cautiously and with great diligence. This is not a procedure that should be taken lightly when you are suffering with any form of hair loss, acute or chronic. And as always, we are so happy that you're here joining us, and we want to make sure that you are having an amazing hair day. When you review these steps, feel free to reach out to us via our YouTube channel or also across any of our platforms, and we're happy to answer any questions that you might have. Thanks so much. Have a great hair day.